हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू एक्सरसाइज 12A means area related to circles. Then we have some formulas regarding circle. This is your circle. It contains all parameters required for the various purpose is the radius. Radius is the only parameter which will be used in calculating all the things regarding. Then first your formula is circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Area is equal to pi r square. These two formulas you have been knowing from previous classes, but in this class what you have to consider is, if you join two radii like this to the circumference, then this is called the sector. This whole area looking, this would be having certain angle theta. Then what would be the area of the sector? Area of sector is equal to pi r square into theta upon 360. This theta upon 360 is the factor introduced in the original formula. This will provide you the area of the sector. If you are putting this angle, then it will provide area of the major sector. This is the minor sector. Now simply there is if you want to calculate the length of this sector, it again length of perimeter, length of sector, length of circumference of the sector rather you can say. Then again 2 pi r into theta upon 360. This theta upon 360 factor is being introduced here. Now let us take some questions for the sake of understanding. Like, let us start from question number 1. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is 440. Circumference means C has been given 440. Now when circumference is given, then you apply formula of the circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. It does mean 2 pi r is equal to 440. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 440. R is equal to 440 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 2 za 2 10 za. R is equal to 70 centimeter. When radius has come to know, not centimeter but it is meter has been given unit. The area is calculated by pi r square. It does mean pi into 70 into 70. Put the value of the pi, that is 22 upon 7 into 70 into 70. 7 10 ja, 7 4 ja, 2 ja 14, 115 20. This is the area of the square. In the same manner, you can solve various questions now I will tell you question number 7. You should solve and you can ask if you are having any problems. You can also discuss to your friend circle. Some of the friends would be solving or would have solved, whatever the case may be, I don't know. But the question that is 2, not 7. In this question, a little bit different it is. The sum of the radii of the two different circle is this much. Means there are two circles. We will take their radius r1 and r2. The sum of the radii has been given 1. It does mean according to question r1 plus r2 has been given 185 I was saying centimeter. And the difference is circumference. It does mean c1 minus c2 has been given 22 centimeter. But what will be done for c1 and c2? You will put the formula, that is 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2 is equal to 22. Take 2 pi common, r1 minus r2 is equal to 22. 2 into 22 upon 7, putting the value of pi, r1 minus r2 is equal to 22. r1 minus r2 is equal to 22 into 7 upon 22 into r. Cancelled, that is 7 upon 2. Now you are having two equations, one is plus and the other is this much. Now adding equation 1 and 2. When you will add these two equations, I am not writing in addition mode, directly adding. R1 and R2 will be cancelled, but you will have to show this step. Here I am getting 2R1 is equal to 18.5 plus 7 upon 2 can be written as 3.5, rather you can say. 3 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are then 3.5. Then 2 R1 is equal to 5 5 10, 18 plus 3 21 22. R1 is equal to 11. R1 you are getting 11, and R2 you will get by putting the value like 11 plus R2 in equation 1, 18.5. Then R2 is equal to 11 would be minus from this side, 7.5 centimeter. These two radius you have come to know, and question is asking only for radii. Then these will be the answers. In this way you will have to solve the question. There are some more questions. I will take those in the next class. In next class I will collectively take 12 point A, your 12 point A and 12 point A and B, you can say. Tomorrow I will give you the class for both the chapters. Thank you.